Looks like the Easter Bunny came, Eleanor.
No, Mom.
Those are yours. Should we bring it down to look at?
No.
Come on. What's in here?
What do you have? Huh?
Pop.
Is there some jelly beans? Oh.
What's this? What's this? Oh, this is a water bottle like Mama's. Look at that. We can put water in there for breakfast. What are these? Oh, yeah. And what's this? Chocolate. Chocolate.
Ooh. Look what else. Look what else the Easter Bunny brought.
Pretty dress. What's that book? Do you like this book? And what is this? Holy smokes.
Bubbles.
What's that? Bubbles. Holy smokes, we can do bubbles for